second na to. Thank you, sis. Thank you very much.
Yeah, one more time. Yeah. Can I get your attention, please? Our friend Rob will blow his cake and candles. Lord, cake and blow the candles. Let's all stand and sing happy birthday to the birthday celebrant, Sir Carlito Quipala Sr.
Ito ba nakalay?
Happy birthday
Ulitin mo para magwang live.
Hindi, okay lang.
Tumayo po tayo
Okay lang, okay lang. Kasi marami nang nanonood.
Come Sunday, ipaubaya ko sa'yo na.
Ako na muna.
Paubaya ko sa'yo lang.
Sandali, sisiwag ng takpan niya.
Kasi kanina,
Sisiwag mong takpan na.
Activist!
Gusto mo bang sabihin ang wish mo? Okay. Yes, blow your candle. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Hindi ko narinig na naman yung kaibigan ko. Alam mo na. Yung kaibigan ko.
Yan, nagkakanta ng cake ng ating birthday celebrant! Palakpakan natin once again! Happy 50th birthday, Sir Carlino Quezona Jr.! Ayan, ito na yung next part, yung hinihiling niya kanina. The best part! Ito na yung moment mo, bro. Sisipa ko nasa naman yung mukha niya. Puro ng cake. Ayan, this is your moment, bro, to share your blessings to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, the birthday celebrant, Carlino Quezona Jr. Palakpakan natin! Ayan, this is your time to shine.
Okay.
Kantar, pahinga ka dito.
Good evening, everyone. Please lend me your ears. First of all, I would like to thank God for making impossible possible. Thank you for everything. Thank you, and most especially to my family, and most especially to my partner, my lover, my best friend. Thank you for the one who cook our food tonight. Janice, and also Sis Manuel.
Oo, naniniwala ka. Kapag tawa-tawa.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo ngayon dito.
Dahil ako,
At ang masabi ko lang po,
Ano gusto mo? Kape? Kape tayo?
2050 doesn't mean we are older. It means we are more wiser, we are more strong in our life.
kaibigan tayo, brotherhood.
At sana ipagpatuloy natin ang mabuti nating kalooban.
Mayroon, alam ko, liliktinan mo na naman ako.
And also, I would like to thank all the visitors that come, most especially to Tita Ellie and the whole family. And also, HGLI, Hellenic Titans, mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
And also sa mga visitors natin dito, thank you very much. And most especially sa ating si Sis Emily sa pag-pray sa food natin. Thank you very much. And also, mga jammers, thank you! Okay, sasabi ko lang, punta tayo sa Manila. Sige po lang, sige.
Basta kayo.
Yun lang po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa puso po na pagpunta niyo rito, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat.
We're so happy!
God bless us all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, bro, for that wonderful message for everyone. And now, we will open the party for everyone! Let's start! And let's festivities begin! Thank you! Patuloy na ng Showers Band.
Best wishes.
Kuya, thank you for coming.
Good health sa iyo, sa pamilya ng mga good health. Bravo, bravo.
Thank you, Kuya.
Oh,
Very appreciated.
Thank you din sa Pilbang. Sa president po ng Pilbang. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Boss Jimmy.
thank you for the presence of the Philippine. Wonderful grupo.
At salamat din kay Joel, kay tsaka kay Jeff. Galing pa sila ng
Netherlands.
para mag-attend dito sa celebration natin dito. Jeff, Joel, thank you very much from Netherlands. Thank you.
Thank you so much, the birthday celebrant, Sir Carlito Cabana Jr.
Kanya to.
Thank you, lahat. He's so